Hey bakers, welcome back. Today we're going to be making cupcakes from scratch. And here are my ingredients. So we're going to need 1 cup of sugar. That's going to go inside your mixing bowl. We're going to need unsalted butter, 1 stick. We're going to need 2 eggs. And we're going to mix it. And we're going to mix it to a 12 mix. And then in this bowl here, I have 1 1/3 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. That's going to go inside our mixture. Then we're going to add the 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Once it's all mixed, as you can see, it's starting to get a little fluffy. That's what you want to see. I'm going to go ahead and add my vanilla, my 2 teaspoons. And don't forget to line your pan with your cupcake sheets, and then don't forget to get a ice cream scooper also. We're going to need this to scoop our cupcakes, to make our cupcakes. Okay, so then we're going to add our flour slowly. With our milk, slowly also. And then again, we're going to add our flour. And we need milk also. So we're going to use 1/3 cup of milk to our cupcake mix. And you don't want to overmix either. So then remember guys, so it's 1 cup of sugar, 1 1/3 cups of flour, 1/8 of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, unsalted butter, 1 stick. And that's all you need to make these cupcakes. So you know what you do is you do half. You don't have to fill it all up, don't all the way to the top. Do half of the batter inside. And then this makes 12 cupcakes. And if you feel that some needs more, so all you do is just have to add a little bit more to some of them. Like the ones that you think that has less. Like I said, this makes 12. Okay guys, so then you put them in the oven for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. So I'll be back as soon as my cupcakes are done. Alright guys, thanks. Hey guys, so here's the outcome of my cupcakes. So I went ahead and made already some with frosting. This is a Hershey frosting, so I'm gonna go ahead and decorate some for you can see how I'm doing this. Just so you can, get an idea. You don't have to get fancy. It's like whatever you want to put on it. you know. If you want to put a little bit in the middle, you don't have to put a lot, you know. It's however you want. And then, you know, if you have like little sprinkles, add some sprinkles in there, you know, with however you prefer. You know, whatever you want to add in it, you know, whatever makes you happy. And whoever, you know, if your kids like, anyone who likes, you know, sprinkles, or you don't have to add sprinkles if you don't want to. But anyways, guys, here it is. And I hope you guys do make this recipe. And thank you for watching and subscribe. And yeah, thank you.